As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $2,200 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $2,700 by the center of 2026. Ethereum will ascend to $3,000 inside the extended period of 2028, $4,000 in 2032, and $5,000 in 2035. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,962.53, so the cost expanded by 64% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,294 and the year-to-year change plus 92%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 17%. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,065. In the final part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $2,045, which is plus 4% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Monday, November 20, $1,970. Tuesday, November 20, $1,978. Wednesday, November 22, $1,986. Thursday, November 23, $1,994. Friday, November 24, $2,002. Saturday, November 25, $2,010. Sunday, November 26, $2,018. Monday, November 27, $2,026. December 15, $2,168. January 15, $2,275. February 15, $2,236. March 15, $2,200. April 15, $2,160. May 15, $2,123. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,045 to $3,466, which is up 69%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,045, then, at that point, take off to $2,103 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,420. That implies plus 23% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,466 to $4,971, which is plus 43%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,466, then take off to $3,689 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $3,468. It is about plus 77% from today. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,810.23, so the cost expanded by 52% from the outset of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,967 and the year-to-year change plus 65%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 9%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $1,771. In the final part, the cost would lose $17 and close the year at $1,754, which is 3% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,754 to $2,974, which is up 70%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,754, then, at that point, take off to $1,804 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,076. That implies plus 15% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $2,974 to $4,263, which is plus 43%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $2,974, then take off to $3,165 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $2,975. It is about plus 64% from today. 10/15/2023 Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,554.04, so the cost expanded by 30% from the start of the year. The gauge Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,806 and the year-to-year change plus 51%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 16%. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $1,537. In the final part, the cost would add $52 and close the year at $1,589, which is plus 2% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,589 to $2,770, which is up 74%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,589, then take off to $1,856 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,190. That implies plus 41% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $2,770 to $3,721, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $2,770, then, at that point, take off to $2,948 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $3,081. It is about plus 98% from today. 10/1/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,675.52, so the cost expanded by 40% from the very start of the year. The gauge Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,843 and the year-to-year change plus 54%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 10%. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $1,569. In the final part, the cost would add $53 and close the year at $1,622, which is 3% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,622 to $2,829, which is up 74%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,622, then, at that point, take off to $1,894 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,235. That implies plus 33% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $2,829 to $3,803, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin